But yeah, at the time too, the movie, they didn't know if it was going to be a hit or, you know, miss. I mean, and then it turned into like this culture, worldly phenomenon, you know, that is Star Wars.
And very much hit.
Oh yeah.
And you got to realize too, to talk about how the times were, forget about the fact that we saw it in theaters. The fact is that I was 7 going on 8 and got left at the theater alone to watch it.
The times, they have changed.
Yeah, so I think that speaks volumes right there. Is that me and my buddy got left at the theater by his mom and picked up by my mom at 7, folks. This was a thing, and nobody called social services.
So you're in a bad spot, dude. Yeah, watch it. Vindy is up on the ridge. He's about to be crit. Yeah, he's crit CT, and they've got a lot of lerms. So
don't say.
Lots of LRMs, guys. Use cover and ECM. That Vindy is crit CT though.
How many collect calls did you make back in the day, Slow?
Oh, we were just talking the other day about how things used to get shipped to you COD. Remember that?
Right.
That's how I used to get my parents mad at me. I'd sign up for Columbia House Records.
Fuck
and
yeah.
they would come
dude,
COD.
I did that so many times.
Hey, this is not the nostalgic stream, all right, old man.
It was so awesome.
Oh my god, keep your 8-bit cassette tapes to yourself now.
That was fucking awesome. I love those things, man. It was
and you'd
like,
say, Mom, it said it was a penny.
yes. Oh my god.
It was
totally.
$50.
So right down below.
$20.
Bill, save me from these two people.
Oh, the days.
The good old days.
We could use some ACM
That's
cover.
The way it was. I liked it.
Ow, 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 ow.
Yeah, it's a Kentaro. Look at Alpha. If he pokes out, he's dead.
I forgot isn't a freaking hunchback.
Mad Dog, left torso.
Ah, out of range.
Yeah, watch our left side, our friendlies. How you guys doing over there?
Left side's good.
Alright. Let's go and push over here, Zoe. Oh, actually. Enemy UAV above their position. Alright.
Ah, big learned again.
Enemy UAV. There's 2 of them. Alright, let's push on this left side.
UAV down.
Echo. Echo will be primary. I just stripped Echo.
Is that the Pirate's Bane?
No, that's the Stalker. Atlas up here as well. Kilo?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm with you.
Ow, shut down.
It's down. You're fine, bro. Let's collapse on Delta. CT on him.
Roger.
Barn door.
Barn door!
Look up on the ridge. Golf.
I'm getting shot from behind. Someone these see him back there. There he is. Locust in our background here.
And push on that heavy metals though. I know you're down below.
We got a lot of them coming through D3 here.
Darren right below.
Need to turn on these guys in Delta 3.
Roger.
Somehow there's a locust that takes tremendous amounts of laser fire and doesn't die.
Oof.
Kentaro's about to be next.
Let's kill this LRM boat in the face.
Nope. I'm gonna die from a locust.
Freaking turrets, man.
You're alright. It's only a scratch. It's only a flesh wound.
Farming turret, are we?
Yeah, might as well. Not gonna chase the rabbit.
Squirrel! I remember when Han first shot. Oh, man. I don't even know what just happened.